Hello and hi, my name is MOHD.RAHMDI. So in this video I want to show you a little bit about stay and frames. So let's go. First of all, my purpose in running this demonstration was to find out the comparison between stairs and ramps. For your information, a stair is a set of connection steps that connect two levels, whilst a ramp is an inclined plane. Is just a flat surface raised at an angle to connect different levels. Here I will describe some aspects you need to know before making a stair or ramp. Among them are true aspects of mobility, safety, cost, and limitation. First of all, through the aspect of mobility, must consider any physical limitation. This is because stair may be ideal for people who can walk without assistance like me, who have no trouble stepping. However, individuals who need a wheelchair or crutch, such as the elderly who have difficult walking, will have an easier time walking on ramps, where it does not require large strides to walk. Second, through the safety aspect, both ramps and stairs have benefits and risks. Stair equipped with handrail can be a safe way for individuals to be able to move from one level to another. Even so, stair can pose a significant fall risk for users. Meanwhile, ramps with handrail provide a safe path for all users. However, ramps can be very slippery and difficult to handle when covered with leaf-like debris. Third, through the cost aspect of the stair is considered the most economical option. This is because the design is prefabricated and can be built in a limited space. Meanwhile, most ramps require a special design to fit the area in which they will be used, which result in a significant amount of cost during construction. Fourth, through the aspect of limitation, stair can be built almost anywhere that has a difference in height and only cover a small area. On the other hand, ramps require more space to allow for the proper rise. Typically, ramps go up with a ratio of 1 to 12, which means that if you need to build a ramp that has a height of 1 foot, it should be 12 feet long. Therefore, space can be the most limiting factor regarding ramp design. So for the overall, ramps and stairs have advantage and disadvantage. It depends on where and how the condition of the space. Before I end this video, I want to share a little bit about the reflection of this road. So first, I think it's hard to me understand the requirement of this road about walking model, and what I have done it now is based on my understanding, so I'm not sure it's correct or not. Next is problem in making a video presentation, where I have a problem in English language and editing video. Maybe it's my weakness, but that's make challenges for me to do this work, and same with the other works. So I think that's all for me. Thank you and bye.